Modern urban development often needs to work within constrained footprints and site specifications. Below-ground stormwater assets are designed for full trafficability and fit underneath our urban environment. Taking these assets underground facilitates above-ground development and maximises land and lot yield, allowing the land above to be used by our communities for car parks, roads, shopping centres and a wide range of infrastructure. Above-ground assets, like retention ponds, are alternative options but have higher demand for space and can be costly to maintain. Atlan Stormwater offers a wide range of water quality and quantity solutions with a variety of designs for underground installation. These include OSD chambers and tanks, Atlan Chamber, Atlan Vault and Atlan Megavolt, and our range of FRP devices, including Watt Scepter, Eco Scepter and Tank Store. These solutions help local projects to maximise lot yield and ensure high-performance stormwater outcomes, and support the creation of livable and sustainable communities. By going underground, we offer design solutions that meet the footprint constraints of modern urban development.